Guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a beautiful spring candle DIY. We're going to take a candlestick from the Dollar Tree. I found powder pink, which I love for spring, and some of their lamb's ear. For the candle holder itself, I picked up this clear glass one, and it's a little bit fluted and fancy, which I like. And what I want to do is make a little lamb's ear garland to go around the outside of the candle holder. I thought I would have to kind of string it myself. So what I'm doing is taking some of the Dollar Tree lamb's ear and choosing some of the smaller leaves. They have different size leaves on there, and just cutting the leaf off. I cut the stem off and everything. And I'm just going to make my own little garland to go around the outside just by using some Dollar Tree twine. So I start here at the bottom. I just hot glued it on. And then what I'm going to do is just hot glue them. I'm just going to kind of space them out, just kind of what I think would look good, changing up the shape, the size, the color even a little bit, and just going from one side to the next until I have enough of this little DIY garland to wrap around the outside of the candle holder. Now I'm actually using a real candle from the Dollar Tree, so everything has to be on the outside. I don't want anything to be flammable. And I think that might be a good start. I can wrap it around like this. I thought it would be really fun for spring and add a little bit of color. Maybe a few more leaves here, and we are ready to go. Now that I have that all complete, I'm going to start here and just attach it with hot glue. I glued down like one of the leaves, and I'm just going to go around the cup like that. Now the candles does get hot, when the candle is burning, but this actually held up really well for me, even though I'm using hot glue. I am using Gorilla Glue hot glue, so it is a good stick. You could also use like E6000 or something like that, but you're going to have a lot longer dry time than you would with hot glue. And I just wrapped it all the way around like that. I don't really want any of it hanging over the bottom because I want to stick it on that little pink candlestick. I love those candlesticks. I think they're so pretty. So I just trimmed down any of the leaves that are sticking over the edge of the bottom or the top. And I think that is going to work. I love the soft colors of the lamb's ear. I think it looks really pretty for spring. And I'm just going to use an ivory candle inside. You could also use a pastel color for that too. It'd be really cute. And this is how mine turned out. This is how it looks in the day. A beautiful spring candle. And it was so easy to put together. And this is what it looks like lit up. I love a good candle DIY, and I hope you do too. If you'd like more spring Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting.